Last pic of your dog, no cheating, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go at add your sticker at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So it's better to go to add your sticker at highlights. So it's this one right here. And here you have to click until you find the desired story and sticker. And also you can check these viral trends right here. For example, this one or this one and these two. So there we have it, the last pic of your dog, and here you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link from that YouTube tutorial in the Instagram app. So now let's do our story. You have to go to your uploads and choose the last photo with your dog. So I think this is my last pic of my dog, and you have to place your sticker where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. Go to super viral at highlights on my page. And here the first story is not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube video right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.